Welcome to Tohoku University. Starting a new journey in Japan is so exciting.
But we know it can bring a lot of questions too.
That's why we are here.
The International Student Help Desk.
Whether you are new to campus or have been for a while, the help desk is your go-to place for support.
And it's not just for international students. We also support domestic students and faculty members. We help with all kinds of questions, big or small. Need help connecting to campus Wi-Fi? Unsure about a letter from the city office? Or maybe you're just having trouble finding a job? Well, we've got your back.
We also offer translation support, help with Japanese paperwork, and support on daily life, like opening a bank account or applying for a credit card. Our team speaks English, Japanese, Chinese, Indonesian, Korean, and more, depending on the available staff. So, you can ask questions in the language you're most comfortable with.
You can visit us in person, either here at Kawauchi campus or at Aobayama campus. Or you can reach out to us online from anywhere.
We are open from Monday to Friday, so you can visit us in person or contact us by email.
Well, we know what it's like to be new here, and we're happy to share our experiences to help you settle in.
No question is too small, from daily life to academic. We are here to make your Tohoku University experience smoother and more enjoyable.
If you ever need help, just ask. The International Student Help Desk is here for everyone at Tohoku University. Students, faculty members, staff, and even prospective students, both international and domestic.
Find us at Kawauchi and Aobayama campuses or contact us by email.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates and schedule for available languages. Come and visit us.
See you at
the International Student Help Desk.